My first agenda, I thought, when I was coming with you and I saw your placards, the most important one was for me, empower Nayar.
Sir, does this mean that Hewitt is out?
It will be out only when the government decides it will be out. You know, the government wanted to do something for us, but they went wrong by asking the Hewitt people to draw this because they have no idea of what cinema is.
Sir, just one question about this whole privatization business. 99 it was McKinsey, 2000 it's a fee increase, 2003 to 2005 it's a number of self-financed short-term courses, and 2010 is the Hewitt report. We keep saying we are against privatization, but we do everything that is to do with privatization and disinvestment. What do you have to say on that, sir?
We should not be under this ministry. We should have been under other cultural ministry. Next director should be from the film world.
Sir, one more thing. You said earlier that this is a central issue and we need to speak to planning commission. Who is going to do that and when we are going to do that?
No, when we decide in the General Council, we have empowered another committee to look into all the needs of the FTI. We don't seem to have been met by Hewitt. Let me complete. And that the General Council, I am sure, will approve it, and it goes to the government. The government also is there in the General Council.
So it's just that we have seen for the past 3 years how lots of governing council meetings have taken place, how lots of various committees, meetings, which every time all these suggestions have come up before also, but they get subverted again and again. Will this, I mean, talking in the governing council, will the ministry change its policy? Because it's coming clearly from the planning commission, it's coming from the Ministry of INB from Delhi. So self-reliance is the new mantra of the government, right? So how does...
Yeah. I have also the same kind of doubts because I am going to be here till March 2nd. You know, that's my day. And the director, I think, is in February. Okay. If anything is prolonged beyond this, none of us then are responsible.
हमारा अभी का जो कोर्स है वो 8 महीना पीछे चल रहा है, हमारे सीनियर्स का 1.5 साल से पीछे, ये एक तरह से हमारी ज़िंदगी के साथ खिलवाड़ है, तो इसके लिए हम किसको रिस्पॉन्सिबल रखें?
देयर आर मेनी फैक्टर्स बिहाइंड इट. आप भी उनमें से कुछ कारण जानते हैं. 2004-05 में यहाँ एक साथ 8 नए कोर्स शुरू कर दिए गए, स्टूडेंट्स की भीड़ बढ़ गई. ओबीसी रिजर्वेशन आने के बाद स्टूडेंट्स की भीड़ बढ़ गई. तो बहुत सारी ऐसी वजहें हैं उसके पीछे बहुत फैक्टर्स हैं. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का प्रॉब्लम है, कई बार एटीट्यूड का प्रॉब्लम भी होता है, हर तरफ से होता है. आप लोग भी मानते हैं इस बात. देरी कई स्तरों पे होती है, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ एक कारण से होती है. लेकिन ये भी हम लोगों ने आज निर्णय लिया है, जब तक हमारा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर उस हालत में नहीं होगा तब तक नए बैच की क्लासेस नहीं शुरू की जाएंगी. That we have decided and we are taking it in the next GC, the emergency GC.
सर ये GC की मीटिंग कब होगी? GC की मीटिंग की डेट्स क्या है?
Within
मतलब ये IFI के पहले या IFI के बाद? Happen before
IFI, yeah.
We are going to have an emergency general council meeting within the next few days, okay, where the draft that is being made about the fresh mandate is going to be approved. But it's my request to you that till then don't have any agitation.
Yeah, no need for it.
No need for it.